RCB third class management. Third class management RCB. Hello, look at
Madam. Come on, yo. She's blessing him. He's going off. It is vibes. It is vibes. Right, so look at this. I have a Delhi fan and two RCB fans. So you must be happy.
I'm very happy actually here.
Okay, so what are you going to tell them? Because Delhi won 4 now on the bounce.
Just troll them for a few weeks until the Punjab match. Let's see what will they do in the home ground here.
4 on the bounce, bro. You must be happy.
Very, very happy. First time 4 out of 4 winning, especially beating RCB and Chinnaswamy. The looks on the fans' faces, it was brilliant.
The management has selected a beautiful team for the first time. Or else every single year we used to lose in Bangalore. This is the first time we're winning in Bangalore after 6 years.
We have win RCB and my life entire thing, we love RCB. RCB!
I feel anyone who leaves RCB just becomes better after they leave RCB. In my opinion, only AB and Gale, they are the only 2 players who we got and then they became superstars.
Middle overs didn't click essentially while batting. And while bowling, I think the catch drop of Rahul was unfortunate. As difficult as chances it was, I think that was the match.
I have real good hopes on RCB, and I know they're not going to get us hurt because we are fans of theirs and loyal fans. Yeah.
I love RCB!
Where do you think we went wrong, buddy?
Everywhere, by the way. Firstly, RCB stop getting defensive. Just because you all have 3 wins doesn't mean you all won.
So why are you bowling Livingston when you have Suyash Sharma overs in the bank and that was the perfect time to bowl him? You had Hazelwood, you have all of these great bowlers. Why are you bowling Livingston?
I love RCB!
So where do you think we went wrong? Cricket logic.
I think dropping KL Rahul was where it went wrong.
Catches win matches.
Yeah.
Dropping that catch, we lost there only, we lost.
It's on Rahul's ground.
It's on Rahul's ground, right?
Yeah, he made a statement. The celebration, I liked it.
Rahul! RCB!
Some fans were telling me that because the rain sprinklage happened, that went into KL's mind and he went in overdrive.
That is what caused him to start accelerating. I think we pulled out our DLS calculators during the matches.
A few years ago, RCB let KL Rahul go. So definitely I feel like there was a bit of a grudge.
कम से कम एक बार बता तो देते कि हम नहीं रहना चाहते यार, इस बार तो आपने कुछ कहा भी नहीं. आपको हम कुछ कहते हैं, हम आपको कुछ कहे हैं.
He doesn't have a calculator in his head. So he just thinks, okay, rain is here. With 4 wickets down, it's time to go bang bang.
KL Rahul is delivered for us and so happy right now. I can't put it in words. It's just amazing. Rahul! RCB! KL Rahul, I mean, he's always an anchor for us and he can, come in and stabilize the middle order.
He's got his revenge.
Excellent, yeah. He played a very balanced and a very, inning composed and he controlled the complete inning.
So clearly today, KLR over BLR.
It's BLR only, not KLR.
Nothing.
We are loyal fans. We never give up on our franchise.
RCB!
How tough was that Rajat Patidar catch in the stadium? On TV it looked easy, but in the stadium?
It was a tough catch. He reached there, that is why it looked easy. It was a very tough catch, but he reached there and it popped out of his hand.
Delhi, RCB and Punjab, they've not won an IPL. Do you think one of the new teams will win in this year?
This year is DC. RCB ain't gonna win this year. It's DC this year.
There's a chance that Delhi might win this year. There's a good batting lineup and a good bowling lineup this year.
RCB is Chinnaswamy best, very good dog.
Yeah.
This RCB man, third class management.
Virat Kohli is much better.
Yes, of course! Yes!
What do RCB need to do to win at home?
I think they've got to make sure that nobody gets out by tripping on the pitch.
Whose fault was that? Was that Virat's fault?
I'm not really sure who gave that call, but it looked like it was Phil Salt's call.
Was that Kohli's fault?
No.
It was Salt's fault?
No, he slipped, yeah. It's just part of the game.
Oh, no. He just slipped. He could have got back, but I think he tripped over the field.
I love you!
I love Virat Kohli.
Yes, of course!
But do you think the run out was a turning point?
Yes, it was a much of a turning point. We could have done much better.
Do you think that was a turning point? Virat running out Salt.
Yeah, I think so.
Whose fault was that?
Both of them, really.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't want to throw the king under the bus, do you?
Yeah, throw him under the
We
bus,
love him.
mate.
We love
Mate,
him in
we're
the
from the UK, so we don't care.
So next match they're playing Rajasthan away. So do you think they'll win that? Because it's away.
Best of luck.
Okay, and who's your man of the match?
KL Rahul for sure.
I feel Rahul.
Rahul as well. Okay, man, super.
Rahul's day.
Super. And as a Delhi fan, do you have a message for all the RCB fans?
Better luck next time.
I mean, no matter they win or they lose, RCB, they're definitely not taking a snooze.
All of you subscribe to cricket.com. Follow for more.
Cricket.